Dear students, welcome to V-Guide Physics, Ray Optics and Optical Instruments, Part 2. In this video, I am going to explain few numericals based on mirror equation. What is mirror equation? Mirror equation is the equation connecting object distance, image distance and focal length. That is 1 by f equals 1 by v plus 1 by u. I am going to convert this equation in a simpler form for doing numericals. 1 by v we can write it as 1 by f minus 1 by u. If you take the LCM, fu by u minus f. Right? If we need 1 by u, it is 1 by f minus 1 by v. That is v minus f by fv. Right? So you can write it in the shortcut form for v and u as v is the reciprocal. That is fu by u minus f and u equals fv by v minus f. I have taken the reciprocal of this. Now, what is called linear magnification? Linear magnification is the ratio of v and u, that is m equals minus v by u. So I am substituting the value of v. What is v? fu by u minus f, that I am substituting. Fu by u minus f, that is inside the bracket, divided by u. U get cancelled. This minus going inside, it become f by f minus u. So this is a simplest equation for magnification, that is f by f minus u. It is not compulsory to find out v and all. You can directly use the shortcut equation f divided by f minus u for finding magnification. Same like that, sometimes in the question they'll give only v, image distance. So you can do minus v by u minus v by, I substituted the value of u here. That is fv by v minus f, same terms cancel, that is f minus v by f. This is another equation. If you want areal magnification, that is the square of linear magnification, that is v by u the whole square. That is nothing but you can write in both the forms f by f minus u the whole square or f minus v by f the whole square. So these are the shortcut equation for finding v, u and m. V minus v by u is there. Other than that, with f, what is the equation for finding magnification? Okay, clear? Areal magnification is the square of linear magnification. That is v square by u square. Now, we'll go for the first question. Suppose while sitting in a parked car, it means car is at rest, you notice a jogger approaching towards you in a side view mirror of r equals 2 meter. If the jogger is running at a speed of 5 meter per second, how fast the image of the jogger appear to move when the jogger is 39 meter and 29 meter. What's the question? There is a car, okay, and the car is at rest and the jogger is running towards the car, they told, and it is observing with a rear view mirror. In the last video we discussed rear view mirror means it is convex mirror. Remember, this is which mirror only? Rear view mirror is a convex mirror. Now f r they gave, with that you can find f. Okay, and they gave the object distance, two cases they gave. First I am taking 39 meter. So I am taking the mirror equation 1 by v plus 1 by u is 1 by f. From that 1 by v equal 1 by f minus 1 by u. Taking LCM fu by u minus f, we get an equation for v. Fu by u minus f. Now you take your condition. U equals minus 39 meter. F is equal to, what is f? F is nothing but r by 2. So it is 2 by 2 is 1. So it is 1 meter. Substituting the value 1, as it is a convex mirror, focal length is positive only. 1 into u, according to sign convention, u should be negative, minus 39 by u minus f, that is minus 39 minus 1 equals 39 by 40 meter. But in the question they are asking how fast it's moving. It means like a speed we have to find out. So I know at a 39 meter distance, I should get an image of 39 by 40. But in this case, your object is not a stationary object. Object is moving. So what I am taking is in a time period of 1 second where the object reaches. So we are taking, since the jogger moves at a constant speed of 5 meters per second, what is the meaning? In 1 second, the jogger is traveling 5 meters. So we are taking, now my distance is 39 meters. And in the question they told the jogger is approaching towards, see this is a mirror, means the jogger is the jogger is approaching towards. So first was 39, now it became little more closer. How much closer it be? Minus 39 plus 5. Why plus 5 I did? In a time of 1 second, the jogger is traveling a distance of 5 meters and it is towards the mirror. So towards the mirror means initially I am here 39. Now I am traveling 5 meters, like this means what is the distance from here to here? It is equal to 34, minus 34 meters. With minus 34, again you have to find V. So what is U equals minus 34? F equals minus, F is equal to, what is the F? Sorry, F is equal to plus 1 meter because it is a convex mirror. UF by U minus F. Minus 34 into 1 divided by 34. We will get it as minus 34 minus 1. So it will come as 34 minus minus will get cancelled, 34 by 35. This focal length is positive. So what I got a image at a distance of minus 34 meter. Now I am going to compare. At a distance of 39 I got V. At a distance of 34 also I got the V. I am going to find out what should be the shift in the position of image. Shift in the position of image in 1 second I am doing. That is first image distance minus second image distance. 39 by 40 minus 34 by 35. Taken the LCM 1400. We get 5 by 1400, that is 1 by 280 meter. If you want average speed of the image when the jogger is between 39 meter and 34 meter is this distance shift divided by time. 1 by 120 divided by 1, that will be equal to 1 by 280. 1 by 280 meter per second. 1 by 280 by 1. So it is 1 by 280 meter per second. What we did? First we have taken the distance as minus 39. With that we found V. Then after 1 second it is traveling a distance of minus 34. Then you find out what is the image. Then you find what is the shift in the position. After finding shift, that divided by time if you do, we get the average speed. Okay. They gave one more distance. With that also I already solved it. Second case they are given U1 as minus 29 meter. So first you do with the U1 you find what will be the V1 here. V1 is equal to FU1 by U1 minus F. Minus 29 into 1 by minus 29 minus 1, that is 29 by 30 meter. Here also same thing. After 1 second it is approaching a distance of 5 meter towards the mirror. So the distance will be minus 29 plus 5, that is minus 24. With this minus 24 again you calculate V2. I got 24 by 25. Then you find the shift. Shift is nothing but these two you have to subtract it. 29 by 30 minus 24 by 25. LCM is 750. Solve it. We are getting 725 minus 720 by 750. That is 5 by 750. That is 1 by 150. If you want average speed, 1 by 150 divided by 1, that is 1 by 150 meter per second. Okay. So how we got the equations? First, in this case, the jogger is moving. So jogger is moving means we have to find out two images. If you find a shift in the image, we get the distance. That divided by time, if you take, we get the average speed. The next question is, a thin rod of length f by 3 lies along the axis of a concave mirror of focal length f. This is a concave mirror. Okay. So this one they are given. This is a concave mirror. And the focal length of the concave mirror they are given as f. You are keeping another rod of length f by 3 along the axis of a concave mirror. Okay, you are keeping that object like this. Like this I am keeping, not like this. Okay, normally we did like this type of question, but this we are keeping it like this on the axis. One side of its magnified image touches an end of the rod. That is a hint in the question. It means if you are taking this as a one end, okay, this is the object. This green color I marked is object and this pink color is the image. So one side touches. Okay, this both the sides like this only. One side is touching the image. Okay, so I need to find what is the length of the image. So you should understand the main thing. When object is at this distance, image also getting at the same point means you have to go to the ray diagram at which point we are getting image and object at the same place. We get that only when the object is at 2f, object is at 2f or object is at C. Okay, at C means we know that object distance is equal to image distance. That is the main thing you should remember. At C, object distance is equal to image distance. So first I am going to calculate what is the distance. Okay, now they told the length is f by 3 for the rod. And at this point I know this end is nothing but at 2f. So what should be this distance? For that I am taking here 2f minus f by 3 will be the initial point. Say for example this is A. I need to take what is u at A. So 2f minus f by 3, that is 5f by 3. So 1 by f is 1 by v plus 1 by u. That is 1 by v is 1 by f minus 1 by u. That is 1 by concave mirror focal length minus f minus 1 by, what is u here? 1 by 5 by f, 5f by 3. So it will be 3 by 5f. If you take the LCM 5f, so minus 2 by 5f. So if you want v, it is 5f by 2. What is the meaning? For this point, A point, I am getting an image here, A dash. Okay, I am getting an image here. That is at a distance of 5f by 2 from the pole. You got the point? This point is your B. B means image is getting at B only. But this A only, I am getting an image here. That is at a distance of 5f by 2. But I need the length. I need the length means I know now from pole to A dash the distance is 5f by 2. I know from pole to B it is 2f. So what should be the length of the image? 5 by 2 f minus 2f. That will be equal to f by 2. Very important question. Okay, a rod we are placed like this. The hint in the question they are given is one of its end of magnified image touches the end of one rod. It means like this. The image and object is coinciding at one point. So that is nothing but at C. So at C we are keeping at C only. The other distance I need. They told this length. We know the total. What about the C distance is 2f. 2f is the, why 2f we are taking? Because we know center of curvature. C is nothing but 2f only. So 2f minus f by 3 is your u. Find out u. With u, apply sign convention, we get f. Okay, when we are applying the sign convention, as it is a concave mirror, focal length we are taken as negative. I got V. After getting V, what we understood? We got this point. We are getting minus 5 by 2f. And this is 2f. So the length will be 5 by 2f minus 2f. That is f by 2. Next. This is a simple question only. A 4.5 centimeter needle is placed 12 centimeter away from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the location of the image. Everything is clear. Height of the object is 4.5. U equals minus 12. And it is a convex mirror. So its focal length is positive. Apply direct equation 1 by V plus 1 by U 1 by F. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. U minus F, we get Fu by U minus F. Substitute the value 15 into minus 12 by minus 12 minus 15. Minus get cancelled, we get this answer, that is 6.7 centimeter. If you want magnification, it is minus V by U. Minus 6.7 by U is minus 12, that is 5 by 9. If you want magnification, Hi by Ho. Hi is Ho into M. M is 5 by 9 into Ho. They gave it in the questionnaire 4.5. 4.5. We get an answer of 2.5 centimeter. Now, in a convex mirror, we know that when the object is at infinity, where should be the image? Image should be a focus and it will be highly diminished image. Height of the image will be very less, so approximately to 0. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos of class 1 to class 12 for boards, foundation, JEE, NEET and NTSE. We guide physics.